Hey you guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Chanel. For not new, well, thank you for coming back. You guys, I know I haven't filmed in like 3 weeks, so we're gonna go ahead and do a look. I'm gonna tell you why later on in the video, why I haven't been on the YouTube, okay, over here in like 3 weeks. But anyways, today I wanted to do a full face, as close to a full face as possible, of all mini makeup products. Like, I've wanted to do this video for like months, and I'm finally doing it now. So as you can see, my brows are done. I did conceal underneath my brows just a little bit. I do not have a mini concealer, sadly. Like, I really did look, and I don't have one, but that's okay. Everything else pretty much I'm using will be mini. And if I do eyeshadow, I'm not going to show you guys because I do not have a mini eyeshadow palette, but that's alright. So if you're interested and you want to see how this look comes out, then just keep watching. So I have pretty much all of my little minis right here in this little container. I have a face mist. I actually have 2 of them. I have foundation, which I'm actually going to use the foundation I currently have open. I have one in here. Actually, I have 2 of these, but I'm going to use this one here that's open. This is from Lancome. Up to 24-hour color, wear, and comfort transfer resistant foundation. And it has SPF in there. And I have the shade 500 Suede. So, and it's warm. So that's the shade I will be using. I just realized I had a brow product in here. But I already did my brows, okay? But this is a small mini brow definer from Anastasia Beverly Hills in medium brown. But I won't be using this today because I already did my brows, as you can see. So we're going to go ahead and jump into the look. And the first thing I want to do is use primer. I have quite a bit of primers right here in front of me. I have the Urban Decay Elliptical Illusion Complex Primer. I've never tried this before, so I might be using this one today. I do have the e.l.f. Putty, the Poreless Putty Primer, this little mini one right here. I also do have a little mini Bobbi Brown Enriched Face Base, and I do have a Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur Primer as well, but I think I'm going to go ahead and go in with this one today. So I'm going in with this primer. This is how much I currently have right here. I hope this is enough. It's supposed to help blur. It has, well, I think it said rose hip oil. Alright, so now that my primer has been sitting for about a minute, I'm going to go ahead and do my complexion. And like I said, I'm going to go in with this foundation here. I have tried this foundation before with you guys. I was going to use like, I was going to use a mini sponge, but I had to really think about that. I don't got the patience for that. So we're going to go ahead and get just, we're going to put this directly on my face like this. I only put a little bit of foundation on, but looks like I'm going to need some more. Next, I'm going to go ahead and go in with concealer, and because I don't have a mini concealer, I am just going to put it on real fast and then show you guys the next step. Y'all, it is quite a rainy day today. Very rainy. So now that my concealer is on, I'm going to go ahead and moisturize my lips. I'm going to go ahead and take this Bobbi Brown extra lip tint and Bare Pink, and I'm just going to use this to moisturize my lips. Next, I'm going to go ahead and set down my concealer, and I'm actually going to go in with this Bare Minerals Original Mineral Veil Loose Setting Powder, and this is in Oriental, the original translucent. So this is the original translucent one. This is what I'm going to be using to set down my concealer. Oh, this is so cute, you guys. It's so mini, so little, and so cute. So like I said, I wasn't going to use Little's mini sponge, so I think I'm going to use a mini sponge now to do just underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna use this little mini sponge here, and I'm just going to put some in a little tiny cap and go ahead and set underneath my eyes. Yeah, I forgot how pretty this powder is. Y'all, this is gonna be a super easy, super simple, everyday look for me, like what I would wear on a daily basis. So now that we got our foundation on, our powder done, technically my concealer too, but it wasn't a mini, but that's okay. I should have used this color corrector, you guys, but I didn't. This one here is from Becca. This is a brightening under eye corrector. I believe they sell it with a powder as well, and I know they still sell it because I believe Smashbox taken a certain amount of items over, so I know they still have this particular item. Now that I have done that, you guys, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go in and use a mascara base before I put on my mascara, and I'm using this one here from Lancome. This is a little mini one. I've tried this, I've used this before on my channel. I think I went through like 2 or 3 of them on my channel before, but they were all the full-size ones. And I'm just going to coat my lashes. So I'm gonna let the lash base kind of dry down some, and I have 2 options of a lip color. Y'all, to be honest, lately I really haven't been doing lip liner a lot, which is crazy for me, y'all, crazy. So I have a Smashbox Always On liquid lipstick in the shade, I think it's Audition. I'm trying to think, do I want to use this shade? No, I don't want that color. That color, I'm going to have to use a lip liner. So this is what it looks like, but I'm not going to use this one. Then I have this other one. This is the NYX Smooth Whip Lip. Let me say that again. Smooth Whip Matte Lip Cream. And y'all, it's not even open. And I don't even know what shade this is. Cherry Cream, that's the shade. Woo, I might actually have to break out a lip color. Whoa, that one is really red, you guys. This one is really red. I got to find, you know what? You know what? Sometime, you know, I'm gonna think like I'm using all this and I'm on vacation or something, which will be soon. I'm just gonna go ahead and bust open this brow definer from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This little mini brow definer, as you can see, spoolie, everything. And we're gonna use this little tiny brow definer as our lip liner. Sometimes you gotta improvise. Now going in with this, y'all, oh, we just gonna dab it on. Because, ooh, y'all. For mascara, you guys, I went in with this one here from Lancome. This is their, it's this one right here. Okay, it's this mascara that I went in with. That's the one I had. I was going to use the Tarte one, but I said no. I'm just going to use this one right here. So this is how the lips came out after, you know, getting it to a color I am okay with, you guys. So I have 2 face mists here. One of them I probably might not use. I might do it for skincare. But I have this one here from My Claire Paris. This is the Refresh Hydrating Beauty Mist. This is what it looks like in the box. I honestly might not use this. It's like, it looks like a little perfume sample situation. That's what it looks like. So I probably will not use this one. I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter Long Lasting Makeup Setting Spray. You guys know I love this thing here. This is, I'm calling it a mini because look how cute it is. It's so little. So this is what I am going to use. There we go. This is what I'm going to use to set my face. And then I'm going to go ahead and spray on my Mario Badescu Skincare Facial Spray with aloe, herb, and rose water. I love putting this on top of my makeup. Alright, so here is the look. I want you guys to see it from all the angles. You guys, this is the whole look with the minis that I do have. I think, well, you know, I guess because I'm used to a neutral kind of bland looking lip color, this is a little much for me, but I can deal with it. I can deal with it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys why I've been MIA for like the last few weeks. Okay, y'all, so the reason why I've been MIA is because I started a new channel, but it's all business based, like a little bit behind the scenes. So basically I'm telling y'all, I'm coming out with a new business. I am completely not makeup related. I might do my hair care products again. I'm currently in the middle of becoming a registered business, but I will be opening soon. So if you guys would like to follow that channel, I will leave a link for that channel down below in the description box. Like I said, it's brand new. But anyways, I'm gonna show you like 2 items that I will be selling. I'm gonna be selling these very gorgeous, not this particular one, but these very gorgeous soda can glasses. As you guys can see, this one has donuts on it. It's just so gorgeous, y'all, and I love donuts. I love sweets, but this was actually mine because I really wanted this one. But this is one of the items that will be in the store. This is a water bottle. I'm trying to remember how many ounces it is. I think this is a 25-ounce bottle, you guys. It's not, my website is not up yet. I'm currently working on it, but like I said, it will be opening very shortly. But here is the water bottles. Very, very cute. It's like, it gets you ready for summer, you guys, and it's all the way around. It's completely gorgeous. And who doesn't walk around in flip-flops during the summer? Like, almost everybody walks around in flip-flops. But anyways, I just wanted to show you guys some of the, you know, some of the items, well, basically 2 items that I am doing for my shop. You guys, there's gonna be like quite a lot of different things in there, but this is the reason why I've been MIA, okay? But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Not the whole time, not the whole 3 weeks I've been MIA. Wait. For my fragrance for the day, I wanted to do a mini too. So we're gonna go in with Billie Eilish here. And we're gonna use this little mini fragrance. Y'all got a lot of little minis. But this one, ooh, this one's pretty. Look at that one. That one's pretty. So it's a roller ball. Oh my goodness. Oh yes, and it smells so good. So this is what. Yes, y'all. This is what we are working with today. It smells delicious. So delicious. Yes. Okay, Billie Eilish. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll talk to you guys again soon. Bye.